Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox some of this matcha powder or stuff that my wife purchased. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check them out. I got 2 packages. And this one's the J-Leaf Matcha Organic Premium. So there's a pull tab right here to open. Go ahead and check out this big one. This one's by J-Leaf as well, Matcha Lemon. It's a premium Japanese matcha with a real lemon juice powder. So it's a drink mix. Just add water and mix. And this is a vegan and gluten free. Wow, added sugar is 18% though. And this one is the same. We got this 30 single serving. And this one is the 100% pure ground green tea powder. Open one of it. And this one is has a ziplock top. Ziplock over here on the top. So you could do the hot brew or cold brew. Wow, this one's heavy. And this one is the coffee style sweetened the premium barista crafted mix, the matcha latte. Well, the sugar is 18% though. And this is seal. I don't want to open it right now. Keep it fresh. Let's go and then check out this last one. So much matcha stuff. She went matcha crazy. This one's the modern matcha starter set. Complete 3-piece set. Electric whisk. Stainless steel scoop. And then stainless steel tea sifter. Step-by-step preparation guide. So there's your step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. And step 6. More catalogs for you to look at it so you can buy more stuff on them. Oh, Amazon, Target, Walmart, Whole Foods, Sprouts. Oh, you even do a matcha face mask, matcha salt bath. Oh, so this is like a recipe right here. Matcha pancake, simple matcha smoothie. They even have a matcha shot, bamboo whisk, electric whisk. This was 1 gram or half a teaspoon. So the electric whisk come with the stand. They got one of this ribbon strip, so easy to remove the 2 of the batteries, AA. Let me go get my rechargeable battery and then test it out. So the one with the flat is positive, the one with the spring is negative. So the bottom one is positive. Like that. Wow, some of this one is stronger than the one we bought from IKEA. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.